Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. And you can see with either one of these key fobs I can operate the power sliding doors and the power trunk hatch. This is a brand new conversion, rear entry, manual, very easy to operate. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. So simple to do, low cost to maintain. Look there, just my index finger, that's all it takes. Take that to the ground. I tell our customers, if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than the side entries. One of the many reasons I like these rear entries better than the side. It does taper down to about 33 inches of width there at the base. It's got 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here. Will also fit a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner looks good. And between that second row of seats, there's about 21 inches of room. So wheelchairs, the smaller ones, can slide up in between there. Wheelchair can sit slightly behind these. We can remove one of these chairs to make more room. We have chairs that flip up on their side also. So let us know your measurements. Let us know what you need. There's no one size fits all. But we'll work with you to make sure we make a van that can accommodate your needs. The dash looks great. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. Got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your backup camera right there. You can also sync your phone to this. A variety of other things you can do with this technology. It's 2019, so pretty new. Dual climate control, rear air, very nice center console there. You can see these leather seats. And if you want to use these up here to control the doors, you can shut the doors this way. Also, let's say you're going to use this for a taxi or a wheelchair, wheelchair taxi. You can hit that button, make these doors manual. They'll slide shut manual, so you can go from power to manual doors with a touch of a button. Very easy to do, so you've got the option there. We do give a free set of Q straight, pull tight, tie downs away with each van. So when you got everybody secure, come back out, look, 1 finger, that's all it takes. Latch it back down. And I tell you what, those electric ramps and doors, they're nice, but they are so expensive to maintain. I'm not talking $500 every time you take it in. Those repairs can get up to $2,000 and $3,000 really quick. So even if you don't buy from me, if you can get by with a manual ramp and door, I strongly suggest it. The exterior of the van, tinted windows in the rear, alloy wheels. We got 4 brand new tires, and I mean brand new. This is an Iron Man brand. Got your roof rack there in case you want to do any traveling. Very clean van on the exterior. It's hard to find a dent or scratch in this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I mean this van looks darn near brand new. I only buy really nice high quality stuff. You see one little bruise right here. Looks like someone's put some touch-up paint. Keep in mind this van does have 70,000 miles on it, so I mean it's not new, but it is very, very nice. I'm very impressed with it. Everything up on the roof looks good. As I open the door, we always show you the VIN number. That way you know we've got this vehicle in our possession, that I'm not pulling some internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we do a free Carfax report with each one of our vehicles. You can see this on our website, but I'll show you no accidents or damage, just 2 previous owners. Last owned in Utah. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show no total loss, so it's not a salvage title. No structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer checks out good, no accidents or damage, no open recalls. You can scroll down and see some service records here. Last serviced 67,800 miles, tires balanced and rotated, so you can check that out. Also checking out our company, you can check us out on eBay. Look, we have 832 transactions, 100% positive feedback. That's 832 people we did business with. 100% of them said we did a good job, we treated them right, we treated them fair. You can check us out on Google. We have 168 reviews, 4.8 out of 5 stars. What I'm telling you, with this video, with Carfax reports, with our reputation, not all sellers are equal, meaning there's a lot of crooks out there, and I see a lot of people that think a lower price, which there's very few of them, if any, out there, but they think lower price means a better deal. I know the guy in New Jersey selling them. Look up these people's Google reviews. They have a 1.8 out of 5 stars. I've seen some guys down in Georgia that have a 3 stars with a lot of complaints. So if you buy from one of these people that has a lot of complaints, you're probably going to be one of those people on that list that gets taken advantage of. Okay, back to the interior of the van. Very clean. Got your power driver seat. Works good. Leather seating. Everything looks very nice in here. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. These rear seats look like they've hardly ever been set in. Super clean. When I go to start the van up, fires right up. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag lights. You see the current miles are 70,804. Got our backup camera. We not only show you the big things, we show you the small, the power windows, power mirrors. You know, if you've ever been used car shopping, there's a power mirror over there. A lot of these people get you to come out. They don't tell you about the big dent in the door. They don't tell you about the transmission slipping. They don't tell you about the check engine light and the airbag light on. There's the vents back there. So my point of making this video is to show you we fully inspected this van and to give you the real scoop on it. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any water damage, no signs of any leaks. We show you the emissions control sticker there. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. You can see very clean, no signs of bent metal from an accident, no signs of water damage or anything like that. And you know, that's the #1 mistake people make when buying a used vehicle, is they assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesperson is nice to them. They assume because, you know, because it's 2019. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. And what I want you to do, go to my competition's website. Go check them out. I don't mind. Go look. Do they have any pictures of the undercarriage? Much less a video. Do they have a Carfax report? Do they tell you who they are and about their reputation? So if they don't tell you these things, they don't show you these things, are you just going to assume it runs and drives good? Are you going to assume that these are good people? Or are you going to do your due diligence, take 5 minutes to look them up on the internet? Are you going to demand a detailed video and say, hey, show me the undercarriage. Hey, show me how this runs and drives. I'm not sending you $30,000 until I've seen a detailed video. Or are you going to be kind of lazy and just hope everything works out, and then you send them all that money and the van gets there and it's not what you're expecting? So you decide which one you want to do. But I'm telling you right now, I've been doing this 10 years. Demand a detailed video, demand a Carfax report, demand to see who they are and what their reputation is. If you do anything short of that, you're asking for problems, and I mean big problems. So let's get this out on the road so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy, drives very nice down the highway. The steering wheel is nice and straight, no vibration or unusual noise. With all that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up till 8 years. So talk to me about that. You know, protect your investment, folks. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then you get down to the nitty gritty, they have a $500 document fee. Then they've got tag fees. Then they charge you for shipping. Next thing you know, that real nice price jumped about $3 grand. My question to you is, if someone's not being honest with you about the price, if the price is $30,000 online, shouldn't the price of the vehicle be $30,000? If they're hiding money from you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it mechanical issues? Is it flood damage? Is it a salvage title? You know, I don't know. I just know if someone's not putting the real price online and playing all these games and gimmicks to try and get extra fees from you, they're probably hiding something else. So just be aware of that. And hey, if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a texter, if that's easier for you, give me a text. 316-518-4377. I am the owner. That is my cell phone number. I want you to call the competition. I want you to ask them. Those big companies like Freedom Motors, Braun, VMI, United Access, Mobility Works, I want you to ask them if they're committed enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Try it out. Ask them. See what they say. Nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So everything on this van performs exactly the way I want it to perform. Other than the auto start, we're going to check that out. I will let you know. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can take an application over the phone, old school style, that's fine. Or we can send one to your email. So let us know what is easiest for you. And to see our entire inventory with Carfax reports, detailed videos, and dozens of pictures, look us up, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do take trade-ins. Talk to me about how those work. And as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.